Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question if you can listen to music on your Samsung Galaxy Buds3 FE with only one earbud. So actually yes, you can, and it's very easy to do. And if you do have in-ear detection enabled in your application, you can just have your one earbud like this, another in your ear, and you'll be good to go. If you do have in-ear detection disabled, you have to put one earbud in the case and the second one in your ear and close the case. This should fix your issue because this one is disabled, turned off, and this is turned on. And if you put your earbud in your ear, the sound mode should automatically be put in the mono mode, and you will be able to listen to music with only one earbud actually. And yes, of course with less detailed music without the stereo sound, but you know. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.